Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will simplify the concept of containerization. We will cover key features of containerization and its benefits. So let's get started. Containerization revolutionizes software deployment by encapsulating applications with their dependencies into containers. This lightweight virtualization ensures consistent performance across diverse environments. Containers ensure that each application runs in its own isolated environment, preventing interference and enhancing security. This isolation guarantees that applications function independently, maintaining stability. Moreover, containers offer remarkable portability, running consistently across different environments, from development to production. This eliminates the need for modifications, streamlining deployment, and reducing errors. Containers offer a unique advantage by operating in isolated user spaces, ensuring applications run independently without interference. Sharing only the host OS kernel, they provide a secure and efficient environment. This isolation not only enhances security, but also optimizes resource utilization. By eliminating the need for a full operating system per instance, containers significantly reduce overhead, making them a resource-efficient choice for businesses aiming to maximize performance while maintaining robust security standards. This cross-platform consistency simplifies deployment, reducing time and resources needed for adaptation. By adopting containers, businesses can streamline their deployment processes, ensuring applications are easily manageable and consistently reliable across different environments, enhancing overall operational efficiency. In today's fast-paced business world, speed and agility are key. Our platform empowers developers to rapidly create, test, and deploy applications, accelerating time to market. With the ability to quickly spin containers up or down, teams can embrace rapid iteration and continuous integration, continuous deployment practices. This dynamic approach not only enhances productivity, but also ensures that businesses stay ahead of the competition by swiftly adapting to changing market demands. So, if we need to summarize the benefits a business can exploit out of containerization, then I would say containerization transforms application development by ensuring portability, efficiency, and security. Applications can seamlessly move across diverse environments, maintaining consistency and performance. This technology maximizes resource utilization, reducing overhead and boosting operational efficiency. Besides, security is enhanced as containers isolate applications, minimizing vulnerabilities. As organizations adopt cloud-native technologies, containerization becomes indispensable, streamlining software delivery and fostering innovation. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned as more to come in next videos.